Today in this video we are going to discuss about the sexual reproduction in the animals. In the animals, the process of reproduction starts with the formation of the gametes. And this process of formation of gametes is called gametogenesis. What are the gametes? Gametes are haploid structures that is produced in the reproductive organs of the animals, testes and ovaries. And they are of two types, male gametes and female gametes. Male gametes are called sperms. They are haploid. Haploid means they have single set of chromosomes, and they are haploid because they are formed by meiosis. Meiosis is a cell division in which one cell divides to form 4 daughter cells, each having half number of the chromosomes. So each of the gametes is haploid. It has half number of chromosome or single set of chromosome, and it treated as N. And the production of the male gametes or sperm is called spermatogenesis. And the production of female gametes or egg cell or ovum from the ovary is called oogenesis, and both of these processes are collectively called gametogenesis. Okay, so now how does this process take place? You know, in the animals are also two types. They are unisexual and bisexual. Unisexual animals, in these animals the male and female reproductive organs are present on separate body. Male and female have separates. Male have testes, female have ovaries, and they are different. But in case of bisexual animals, which are also called hermaphrodite, they are also called bisexual animals are also called hermaphrodite. This is a technical term that is used for bisexual animal. In these animals, both male and female reproductive organs are present on the same body. Means ovary and testes both are present on the same body. Its examples are earthworm and garden snail. Earthworm has both ovary and testes. Okay. Now, here we discuss about the animals, unisexual animals. Male has the testes, female has ovary, and in the male, the testes produce male gametes by the process of spermatogenesis. Okay, and in female, the ovary produce female gametes or egg cell or ovum by the process of oogenesis. Okay. Now, these male and female gametes undergo the process of fertilization. Means when male and female gametes fuse, they form diploid zygote, and this process is called fertilization. And after fertilization, it forms the zygote, and this zygote is diploid, means it has double set of chromosomes. And fertilizations are of two types. It is of two types. External fertilization. It takes place in the frogs, in the aquatic animals. It takes place out of the body. When the fusion of the male and female gamete take place out of the body, this is called external fertilization. For example, in frog, male frog lay its sperms in water, and female frog lay its eggs in water, and when they swim, whenever they come in the contact, they fuse to form the zygote. So because it is taking place outside the body, that's why it is called external fertilization. Internal fertilization, like humans. In the humans, this process of fertilization takes place inside the fallopian tube or oviduct of the female. Okay. Now this zygote, this time it has no shape. It is just a group of the cells. It is the mass of the cells, and when it acquires the shape of the human, it is called fetus. and this fetus develops into embryo into baby. Okay, in this way this complete process takes place. And the time period between the fertilization and hatching of the baby is called gestation period, and this time period is about 280 days. Okay, it is about 280 days. This is called gestation period. Now, one question arises here, that every time, if the number of chromosomes get doubled every time during the formation of zygote, so in this case a large number of chromosomes will be formed during every reproduction. So how are the number of chromosomes maintained? It is very important point. Its reason is there because the male and female gametes are formed by meiosis, in which the number of chromosomes get half. Suppose here we take male gametes, it is having 23 chromosomes, and female gamete is having 23 chromosomes. Okay, and the number of chromosomes in the male is 46. Okay, we have 46 chromosomes, out of which 44 chromosomes are autosomes that decide the external and internal features of the body, and 2 are the sex chromosomes that decide the gender of the body, that is X, and by XX is female and XY is male. Okay, so during this gametogenesis the number of chromosomes get halved, and during fertilization these chromosomes joined, means they get fused and the number of chromosomes get doubled, that is equal to 23 plus 23, 46. That's why the number of chromosomes remain maintained during sexual reproduction. Okay, so it was all about the sexual reproduction in the animals. Okay. Our next topic is puberty. Puberty, the stage at which the girls and boys attain the sexual maturity, is called puberty. You see that in the girls, this puberty starts at the age 10 to 12 years, and in the boys it starts at the age of 13 to 14 years. At this age, they start to, some characteristics are developed there in their bodies, and these are called secondary sexual characteristics. Okay, and these secondary sexual characteristics are developed due to the production of the sex hormones. Okay, there are 2 types of sex hormones. In the male, the sex hormone secreted is aldosterone. This is the male sex hormone, and the function of this aldosterone hormone is number 1, production of the, it helps in the process of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis, that is the production of male gametes or sperm. And second is to develop the secondary sexual characteristics in the male. Secondary sexual characteristics in the male. Okay, the secondary sexual characteristics like the voice will become deeper, okay, and the hairs develop on the body. These are some secondary sexual characteristics. And in the same way, the female, in the female 2 hormones are secreted there, that is the progesterone and estrogen. These are two hormones, and their function is, first, they help in the process of oogenesis and development of secondary sexual characteristics in female. Okay, so these hormones are responsible for these changes. This is the puberty, and this time period is called adolescence. That is called, this is the time when a child change into or convert into an adult. So this is the puberty. Okay, thank you.